This is Meta's new app, Threads.
No, not those kinds of threads. This kind of threads. It's basically a Twitter knockoff.
And I want to get famous on it.
Here are the rules. Number 1, I have to start with a fresh account. I'm actually going to connect my Threads account with just a random Instagram account. It's called Cool Moth Facts.
Number 2, all followers have to be organic.
Oh my gosh. So I already have 1 follower. I haven't even posted anything.
And number 3, if I don't hit 5,000 followers in 7 days, I will let my wife wax my leg hair.
So here's the game plan. Every day I'm going to spend at least 30 minutes either engaging with or posting my own Threads content, trying to replicate other people's posts. We're going to see what happens. Now, I probably won't be posting any cool moth facts on this page. So, first impressions, there's a lot of random things going on. Ooh, a nice little post from Instagram. Okay. Vibes are high here, even on a Monday. I like that. That is fun. That is fun! How to tell someone you're late. Hey, I'm at Starbucks, you want anything? I've actually done that before. Ooh, this page called Nugget. I've actually heard of Nugget before. I think I've seen them on Instagram. I'm just gonna follow them. We'll get the ball rolling here. So far, this is kind of weird. I think I'm ready for my first post, or my first thread. Is that what you call it? In order to hit 5,000 followers in a week, I need to come up with something motivating, inspirational, something that get you choked up when you read it. Maybe something that just like inspires and like empowers you. Hi everyone, this is my first thread. Anyone like moths? Post. Posted! Woo! We'll see if it gets any traction. Are you freaking kidding me? I already have 2 followers. Within 1 second of posting, I got another follower? Maybe 5,000 won't be as impossible as I think. I'm seeing celebrities complaining about how Threads works. I can easily see how this could be a doom scroll, where you're just watching and you're just scrolling on end on end on end. It is day 2 of trying Threads for a week. Let's open up Threads and see where I'm at. Oh! 8 followers. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh man. 1 like on this post, 1 reply on this post. I've posted 5 times this morning. I've gained 2 more followers. But I'm afraid I'm gonna have to change up my approach.
One of Mr. Beast's first posts on Threads said that he was giving away a Tesla to one of his new followers and seriously gained millions of followers as a result of this. Now, obviously, I'm not Mr. Beast, but I am gonna try a similar strategy and essentially try to bribe people into following me with what Americans love most. Starbucks. I call it Starbucks gift card giveaway initiative, or in other words, the yeah, we're gonna work on that one. I started commenting on everyone's posts. I told them, follow me, come back at 8 p.m, you'll see the winner. All right, so it's 8 o'clock. It's time to announce the winner of the Starbucks gift card. And says J Official. You are the winner. I literally only had like 5 people repost the Starbucks gift card. Super disappointing. I really thought that was gonna be worth it. And now I've just given away 25 bucks for like 10 more followers. So that didn't really work. But in the process, I bumped into an interesting character. Introducing Thick Lickety. I came across one of his posts and it said, I started 3 days ago with 1 follower, made it up to 1,200 through grinding like the rest of y'all. Follow at Thick Lickety for the quick, long-lasting gains. Heart. Ooh, man. 3 days? How are you gaining so fast? I've been doing follow trains with everyone else since like Saturday, laughy face. Find people with F threads and interact with them by liking and commenting your at. You must be looking to grow as well, I'm guessing. Yes, I placed a bet that I could gain 5,000 a week. Didn't think it would be this tough. I'll help in what little way I can. He sent this entire message sharing expert strategies for how he's been growing on Threads so fast. Mind blown. Dude, this dude is dropping serious knowledge. Good thing he's a forklift driver because he is literally carrying me right now. Comment down below. Thick Lickety is a legend. All right, good morning. I woke up refreshed. I'm gonna hit it hard this morning and we're gonna see what we can make happen. I'm feeling good about today. Here's the update. It's been 3 full days. We're a little bit through day 4. I've been commenting and posting and reposting and threading all day long. Literally today has been the longest day of doing this. I woke up, I followed an account that was doing a repost train and I just got on there, reposted as much as I could, and I think it worked. Let's see, let's check the numbers. But I'm feeling pretty good. Oh, 209! Holy crap! So that means we 5x'd yesterday too. The follow train thing works, but it's not very fulfilling or satisfying. Don't really think there's any other way except for continuing to do this follow train thing. So even though I have 211 now, I am just drained. I'm over Threads. I'm over it! No, for real, my brain is filled with Threads. I go to sleep, I dream of Threads. I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm checking my Threads. My brain is just being consumed with scrolling through here. And I don't even like 90% of the stuff I'm seeing because I'm just following people randomly. At the end of the day, I don't think it's gonna feel any different whether I have 200 or 20,000 followers. But I'm starting to feel like this is just sucking away all my time, and I don't really want to do it anymore. Determination, resilience, persistence. That's all you need. Day 6, we are so close to the end. I made this post earlier and just wanted to make another random moth fact. And I said, moths don't have wisdom teeth. I mean, that is the dumbest thing I've ever thought of ever. But someone in here came and replied and they said, yes they do. What? Do you have a degree in moth anatomy? This dude said, don't let him take mine, with a moth eating his wisdom tooth? That is hilarious. So, today I've just been trying to make some moth facts, actually living up the cool moth persona. It's been a little bit more enjoyable today. And in the process, there's been some development. Apparently, there's someone else that is doing moth facts now. She commented, said, oh, so we're best friends now? Her name is Moth on Mars. It's funny is she's actually posting legitimate moth facts. All of mine have just kind of been sarcastic. And even though I'm probably not gonna hit my goal tomorrow, I'm feeling pretty good about it. All right. It's the end of day 7, and I'm going to show you the final numbers. The end of day 7, trying to hit 5,000 followers in 7 days. Here is my total follower count on Threads. 3, 2, 1. 561. Oh, yeah, it was a lot harder than I thought, and not nearly as enjoyable as I expected to be either. But I was able to learn some things along the way. At the end of the day, it's not about how many followers you have. It's about the connections you make with those followers. It's about enjoying posting and having fun and not just doing something on repeat over and over and over again just to get the followers when they really don't mean anything at all. And by the end of it, I was actually able to post some moth facts, which is really all I wanted to do in the first place. But what was really important was the one true connection I made, and that was with Thick Lickety. And at the end, I had a handful of people that were actually there for me and to listen to cool moth facts. But I guess that means I'm going to let my wife wax my leg hair. But before that, I'm deleting threads and I'm going outside.
Three,
No,
two,
no.
1.
Oh.